How to add contact forms in Google Sites. Hello, welcome to our channel, WebWiz, and in this tutorial, I will teach you how to add contact forms in Google Sites. So please watch till the end of the video to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Google site right there on the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I'm in my Google Sites account right there. I just go to the Google Sites application and log in my account. And as you can see, I will create my first site right here. For example, I'm just going to name it as, for example, my website. So I'm just going to name it as my website. And if you want to add another page for contact forms, as you can see right here on the blank white page right here, you can add right there. And right there on the right, you will see insert and pages. And just click pages. And right there on the bottom part, there will be a plus buttons. And as you can see, you can add a new page right there. So for example, after I add that, I just going to name it as contact page and click done. And as you can see, I add another page that is named by contact page. So I have a home page and contact page. So my home page is my website and the contact page is named contact page. And as you can see, this is where you can add your contact forms. For example, there are two ways to add one. So for example, I'm just going to go to insert, and right there, as you can see, this is a Google part application. So right there, automatically the Google Forms, as you can see on the screen, will be automatically connected to your account. So you can see all of the forms that you created in Google Forms will pop up right here, and you can just drag them anywhere on your page, and that's it. So another way to add your contact forms is by using another platform called typeform.com. So go to Google and search for typeform.com, and you will be redirected to this page. So you can just sign up for an account. It's easy. And after that, you will be after you created an account, you will be redirected to this dashboard. As you can see, this is where you can manage all of your forms, all things that you created in the past. So this is your workspace in short. So if you want to add a form, new form, just click create type form right here on the top side. So as you can see, just click this button. And after that, just click start from scratch and just wait. And after that, it will start loading, and you will now be redirected to this page where you can bring your name of your form. So I'm just going to name it as, contact form, and I'm just going to choose what type of form I'm creating. So I'm just going to select a contact form, of course, because you'll need to add your contact form, right? So we just click contact form as your type of form and just give it a name. So after that, just click continue. And right here, you will manage all of the questions, all of the data that you can input in your contact form. So as you can see, you can add a question or choices. So if since this is a contact forms, you don't need any of this. Just remove this one. So for example, we can just add a name information. So let's just add a name, and let's remove these choices and made it as short text. Yeah, right here, as you can see. So now let's add another page or another questions. Just click this plus button right there on the content, and let's choose what type of content want to add. So let's now add a contact info content, because we need to provide our contact informations. So as you can see, actually there's a name already right here. So you can just delete this one, the name that I created. I can just delete this one since there's already a name in the contact info content. So let's just delete this one. Let's just stay right here. This is, it's actually okay. So all of these are now completed. We don't need to add another contents, and that's it. And if you want to, as you can see, you can also edit the interface. You can just change the font, the colors, etc., etc. And you can also add image and video also right here in our page to make, to make some little designs. You can also check the accessibility right here on the bottom part. Yeah, right here, you can check that. Also the color, you can add that. And also right here on the design, you can change all of the themes, all the fonts, and that's it. For example, I'm just going to add I'm going to change the font. So you can see right here, I can change all the fonts of the text. I can change the color of each text. So you can see I can change the color of the questions. Let's make it red. And also I can change the button colors. Let's change it to blue or black. Okay. And also some of these options are not needed. I can also add a background, and let's just save it right now. And after that, after it's finished save, you can just publish your your form right here. If you want to publish it, just click publish, the publish button on the top side, or you can just choose connect right here. So as you can see, if you choose connect, you will be given an option to connect your type form or this certain forms to different platforms. As you can see, I can add it in front desk, I can add it in MS Teams, any application that appears right here. I can add it in my Shopify account, email, etc., etc. You can just browse any application that you can choose to connect with. So if you want to share, as you can see, there's no Google Sites right here. So if you want to add it in your Google site, this is where you're going to do. Just click share, and as you can see in this, we can share the link or we can embed it in an email or in a web page. So right here, I'm just going to publish my form first, and after I publish it, so as you can see, I can now just share the link or I can just embed it with a web page. So what I'm going to do is not the link but the web page HTML code. So I'm just going to embed it with a web page, and it will give me a form. So you can see start embedding. Just click start embedding, and it will give you a form of your type form details, and you can just paste it right in your Google Sites. So as you can see, just copy your embedded code. Then after that, you will need to go back to your Google Sites. I'm just going to go back to my Google Sites, and right there, just scroll down on insert, and just scroll upwards and click embed right here on the top side, and just click embed code, paste your code right there and insert it. So as you can see, this is the preview of the code. So I'm just going to click next and insert my form right here. As you can see, it is sponsored by Typeform, of course, and this is the preview. Just click insert, and as you can see, you can just drag or you can just if you want to increase the size of the form, you can just drag it right here, yeah, to increase the length. And but some application, like the other form making applications, does not support this one. So as you can see, even if you stretch it down there, down all the way down to the bottom, it will not increase the length of the form. And that's it. So actually, I didn't show the Google Form method one, so I'm just going to go to Google Forms to show you how the form one works. So as you can see, I can just go to Google Forms website and add a new contact forms. Click Google Forms right there. Just log into your account. I'm just going to log in my account, and I can just add another blank form. Just click blank form. Then I'm just going to edit this one, add title, contact page or contact forms. Oh, what is this? Okay, contact information, and just going to add a name right here and change the answer type. Let's make it short text and add a another question, for example, email, short text again, and I can just add another page. So in Google Forms, as you can see, you need to add it manually. So compared to Typeform, you can just there are templates that you can use, so that you can just drag it and all of the information needed in contact information will be there. And, it's better than Google Forms, I think. Yeah, for me, because in Google Forms you can see right here adding each content. So after that, I will now send or save the Google Forms. So you can see, oh, I think it's automatically saved. So let's just, go back to the Google Sites. So this is quite, okay. So just going to go back to Google Sites, and as you can see right here, oh, this is the one. I didn't change the title of my site. So I'm just going to refresh the Google Sites, go back to Forms, and as you can see right there, you can see I didn't change it. So I'm just going to change it to contact informations. Okay, let's go back again to the Google Sites, click refresh, and right there, as you can see, contact information is now good. And I'm just going to drag it right here. Yeah, I'm just going to stretch it to increase the size, and just increase the height once again. Okay, this is quite good. And after that, I'm just going to publish it. So just click publish right here on the top right corner. And right here, after you click the publish button, you will need to, provide a web address. So any name will do as long as it is unique. So just going to add a random name. Okay, let's make it unique. So let's add right here. So after that, just click publish, and your sites are now published, and you can just go to your uh, Google Sites, just click view, and right here, this is the page. So as you can see right here, I can now, input the contact informations and just go back to home page, and this is the contact page. So for the type form, this, for example, I'm just going to show what the type form contacts will look like. Going to go back to my editor and just go to embed, click embed code, paste the embed code once again, just copy it, then paste it right here, just click next and click insert. So right here, I'm just going to delete this one, and I'm just going to stretch this once again. Then after that, I need to publish it again to make the change. So I'm just going to click publish and click got it. So now just click, oh, what is this? Oh, okay, this is the currently published. So I'm just going to make the change right now. So as you can see, if I click publish, the currently published will be changed to this. So I'm just going to view again my Google site, and as you can see, the type form contact forms appeared right here. So it will, take time to loads, and right here, as you can see, much better, as you can see, because you can scroll down. And that's it. That's how you add contact forms in Google Sites. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something from this video. See you in the next one. Thank you.